Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to create a schema in Postgre database. So first we'll log in here. Once you log in, here you can see the database. Within that database, it will show the databases that you have created within that server. So here by default, I have a Postgre database. So which is being installed when first time I did the installation. So in this Postgre database, you will have a cast, catalogs, event, triggers, extensions. So this extension is basically a plugin that you wants to install. Like example, when you have to do a debugging, so you can install the debugger basically to debug the functions or procedures. So which will get created within the database. It will not be within schema. So that we need to understand here. So here we go inside schema. So by default, a public schema has been created. So here we right click, do create and schema we need to click, then we need to specify name. So better you specify a meaningful name. Then we need to select the owner. So owner is basically a login group. So again, these are by default it is being created. So I'll select here Postgre. You can create a new login group also. So that is also fine. You have to just go there and right click on that login groups. It will allow you to create. So which I will cover in the next video if it is required. Then we go to security. Then here in privileges, you have to first select the grantee. Grantee is that login groups again, who is giving that permission. So here I'll select Postgre again. Then what privileges that we have to give for this new schema. So here I'll select all, create. Then security level, as of now it is not needed. So it is not as of now important. So we'll cover in the next video. So we'll just click on save. So now you can see here the schema is created the left hand side. So schema, app, and the public schema is there. So in app you can see these are the options which will be available within that app schema. So here you can create now table, functions, materialize view, procedures, everything you can create. So you basically know when you're creating an object, you need to create those objects within a schema. So a schema is created. So as of now nothing will be there. Okay, so I will try to cover the objects, creations, functions, procedures in the next coming videos. So it was a simple things. I hope you guys have understood. So thank you for watching and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.